Hello traders, welcome back to Nova channel and let's continue another important topic today. Can you believe that with just 3 moving average, you can build an effective trading system to identify trends and find high confidence entry points? Today I'm going to prove it. We will explore the trial of EMA 34, 89 and 200, numbers that are anything but random, but are the key to reading the market and making a profit. But first, let's briefly review EMA. The EMA is shorted by exponential moving average. It's a type of moving average, but it gives more weight to recent price data, which makes it more responsive to the market changes. So, why 34, 89, and 200? First, 34 and 89. These are two consecutive numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of natural numbers where the next number is the sum of the two preceding ones, like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 24, 55, 89, and so on. This sequence appears frequently in nature, from the structure of a flower to the shape of the galaxy. Analysts believe that these numbers reflect market cycles, including periods of growth and corrections. And next we have 200. This number represents approximately 200 trading days in a year, or 200 candles above the current one. The EMA 200 is considered a benchmark for the market's long-term trend. This is the big picture that tells us the main direction. The combination of Fibonacci numbers and a long time frame creates a very robust analysis system. And now let's move on to the next part, the function of each EMA. Each EMA in this trial has a distinct function, helping us read the market from multiple perspectives. And now we will talk about EMA 34, the short-term trend signal. The EMA 34 is very sensitive to price and it closely follows the most recent market movements. We use it to identify the short-term trend and find entry points after a price correction. And next we have EMA 89. This is the midterm trend support or resistance. The EMA 89 is smoother than the EMA 34 and less prone to noise. It often acts as the dynamic support level in an uptrend or a dynamic resistance level in a downtrend. When the price pulls back to EMA 89, it's a potential point for entering a trade. And lastly, we have EMA 200. This is the long-term trend benchmark. The EMA 200 is very slow and smooth. It is the big picture that shows us the market's main trend. If the price is above the EMA 200, the market is in the long-term uptrend. And if the price is below, it is the long-term downtrend. So, how can we combine these three lines for intelligent trading? And we will have around 5 steps. Step 1. Identify the strong trend with EMA. Always trade with a major trend. If the price is below the EMA 200 and the shorter EMAs are above it, we only look for buy opportunity. Conversely, we only look for sell opportunities. Step 2. Let's buy a confluence zone. After identifying the trend, we will wait for a pullback to a special area. That's when the price pulls back to the EMA 34 and EMA 89 simultaneously with a horizontal support or resistance level or a trend line. Step 3. Look for a reversal candlestick signal. When the price touches this confluence zone, we won't enter trade immediately. Instead, we will wait for a clear price action signal, like a hammer or engulfing candle, to confirm that buying pressure has returned. And lastly, step 4. Enter a trade as the price bounces off the EMA. If all conditions are met, you can confidently enter a trade with a stop loss just below the confluence zone and a take profit as your target. And this is the important note for you when using EMA. Let's avoid trading when the EMA lines are tangled or crisscrossing each other. This signal is a sideways market, and the signals will not be reliable. In conclusion, using the EMA 34, 89, and 200 is not a random choice, but it's a robust analysis system built on mathematical principles and price behavior. By combining them with support or resistance levels, you will have a powerful tool to identify trend and find high probability entry points. Let's open your charts today. Set up these 3 EMAs and start looking for setup we just learned. I wish you success, happy trading, and see you in the next video.